Hello everyone, it's me, BooBee. Today we're diving into something really important. It might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it with a sprinkle of kindness. You know, in our big, wonderful world, sometimes people forget to treat each other with the kindness they deserve. And that's what we call bullying. Bullying is like a rain cloud on someone's sunny day. It's when someone does or says things to hurt another person on purpose. Let me give you some examples to help us understand. Imagine you're sharing your favorite story with your friends, and someone suddenly interrupts with mean words or tries to make you feel small. That's verbal bullying. It's like a stormy rain of unkind words. Then there's physical bullying, which is like when someone uses their hands to hurt you. Imagine you're playing a game and someone shoves or pushes you. It's as if a gust of wind knocks you off balance. Social bullying is a bit like an invisible cloud. It's when someone spreads rumors or makes others feel like they don't belong. Imagine you're arranging a colorful picnic and someone decides to leave you out. That's like a cloud of loneliness. Now imagine getting messages on your device that make you feel sad or scared. That's cyberbullying. It's like a digital storm that follows you wherever you go. But wait, let's talk about the difference between bullying and abuse. While bullying aims to hurt someone's feelings, abuse involves using power to control or harm someone over a longer time. Unlike bullying, abuse isn't always about targeting weaker individuals. Abusers might choose someone stronger to try to tear them down and control them. Remember, neither bullying nor abuse is okay. We all deserve to be treated with kindness and respect, whether we're at school, home, or anywhere else. If you or someone you know is going through this, remember, you're never alone. There are people who care and want to help. Here in BooBee's Heartfelt Haven, we're all about standing together, being kind, and making friends. If you've experienced bullying, know that you're loved just as you are. Let's be a team against bullying. With our kindness and caring, we can make the world a better place. Before we go, remember to join us on Facebook and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, take care and keep shining brightly.